Like I said, it's been a while. Oh my god, Death Sequel, I just saw that!
What?
Death 2
Well,
on the side of the screen.
You just noticed that?
Yes, I did! right on David as a dick.
How would I write that?
I don't know. I'm sorry, what does that mean? Maybe little stupid couch. So this couch that we got from IKEA, the cushion just likes to slip off from underneath you. Nothing against IKEA. It's the only couch we could afford. But, oh. Am I playing this over again? Did we already see this?
I don't know. I don't think so.
I wasn't paying attention during the last one.
Do we have to pay attention?
No.
Theoretically?
Theoretically, no.
I'm pretty sure that was a new cutscene, though.
Okay. I wasn't sure if I'd pressed the button and played it again.
No.
Oh, I could go back to that other play that with the swing shot.
$12.35.
Oh, wow. Oh, we could play for a little while yet. I'm not tired. Are you tired?
I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep very well last night.
I did wake you up early to go to the movies.
Well, not that early.
Wow, it's early.
Certainly earlier than I had wanted to get up.
Sometimes when you stay up late, you forget that other people do not stay up late. At like midnight, I'll be like, I should call and talk to my mom. And I'm like, no. She's been in bed for a while. That's not nice.
Be more careful.
I should be. But like I said, sometimes I just don't have the patience. The music's all pretty cool in these games. I think it's all done by the same guy.
I hardly ever pay attention to music in video games.
You hardly ever pay attention to music in anything. Was I already up there? I was, wasn't I? Yeah.
I've tried to get more into music, but it's just not something that that I really am into, I guess.
Do you just not hear it?
No, I hear it. Like, obviously I hear it, but it's kind of one of those perception things. It's not something that I pay attention to. I'm much more visual,
and I guess I'm not. If you guys see me like looking around the screen a lot, especially like turning the camera like this, I don't see that great. I get really confused by patterns, and especially if there's a a varying color palette. I have trouble just seeing things, so if I'm looking around a lot, that's why. Maybe that's why I pay a lot of attention to music.
Could be. It's like,
I am confused by patterns.
Obviously.
Oh, Jesus, I'm such a child.
Obviously, very like specific like musical cues I'll probably get. Like if there's a certain part where you're very specifically supposed to hear like dun dun dun, like I'll hear that, but just like the regular background music, probably not. Like another thing in this game and in a lot of games, the background music is kind of lower than a lot of the sound effects. But in a game like Ocarina of Time, the music is more, it's not distinct, but it's louder. So like,
yeah, I think I get what you mean.
so like in the Lost Woods, like the so like I heard that music and I remember that because it was more a part of the scene.
Sure.
It was more important. More emphasis was placed on it. But like, I'll never remember the music from this level of Ratchet and Clank. It will probably just won't happen.
Ooh, I love the music from the downloadable Quest for Booty.
Yeah.
The Ratchet and Clank Quest for Booty. It's the game in between.
Track in Time and Future Tools or Tools.
Yes,
Tools of
Tools of
Destruction.
Destruction.
Wait, that's
Is this
why
mud?
it's
Am I
called,
gonna get hurt in there?
isn't it called Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction? That's why I get messed up.
Yeah.
But none
Anyway,
of the other games are called Ratchet and Clank Future though.
Aren't all of the PS3 ones Ratchet and Clank Future then subtitle? Whoops.
Aha, one more.
I wasn't even. Aw, man, all the way over here. This can be another sink of your money here. Oh, no more. I think I read somewhere that the music for Quest for Booty was like a spoof on the Pirates of the Caribbean. I think I read that. I could be wrong.
Well, I mean, that whole game is kind of pirate themed, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it makes sense, certainly.
Didn't even notice I was there. Did you see that?
Well, it's too busy trying to chop down the tree.
Well, I'm not gonna let him chop down a nice old tree.
Well, good. That's why you're here, isn't it? Stop them from logging?
I think so. So if you've missed it, the plot of no, wait, maybe he hasn't revealed it yet?
Well, he's stealing bits of other planets to make his own planet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's been revealed.
Oh, okay. You go. That's pretty fast.
Yeah.
Look at all these bolts I didn't get. Oh, I love the third game. I think it's Up Your Arsenal.
Wait. Do we have them here?
Yeah, they're on the pile. I'm pretty sure
can't see them.
Going Commando is the second one, and Up Your Arsenal. I'm pretty sure it's the third one. Ratchet gets this double lightsaber.
Like that one?
Yeah.
Cool.
So, and with it, you can like smack boxes and anything breakable in these games. You can get bolts from. And with that thing, you can all hit them from afar. And then with this magnet thing, the bolts fly to you from further away.
Okay. So
you're just walking through everywhere, just bolts flying towards you all the time. Gotcha. Hold up. Whoops. feel like I should be able to get it there. Hey, that was fun. Cool.
Well, if you can do that, you should be able to strafe somehow. That seems like a strafey type move.